Hey friend, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, it means you've been thinking about joining Ricky Gutierrez's live trading Learn Plan Profit program, and you want to know, is it worth it? Should you invest your hard-earned money into it? Well, today I'm giving you a full breakdown, but before we dive in, let me clarify something. This review is theoretical. That means I've done deep research on what people are asking about this program before they sign up. I've scoured the internet, watched reviews, analyzed feedback from students, and even checked out discussions in trading communities to help you make an informed decision. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what this program offers, its pros and cons, and my final thoughts on whether it's worth your time. Quick note, if you're looking for a proven way to start making money online, check out my recommended program in the comments section. It has helped several of my viewers become financially stable within a year of putting in the work. Trust me, it's worth checking out. Now, let's jump into it. Here's what this is all about. First off, what is live trading Learn Plan Profit and who's behind it? This program was created by Ricky Gutierrez, a well-known stock trader and YouTuber with over 1 million subscribers. If you've ever searched for stock trading on YouTube, you've probably come across his videos. What it offers? This course is designed to teach beginners how to trade stocks with a focus on momentum trading and technical analysis. It includes a full step-by-step training program, live trading sessions where you see Ricky trading in real time, access to a private group for discussions and trade ideas, market psychology and risk management lessons. The cost varies, but as of now, it's around $299 for lifetime access. No monthly fees, just a one-time payment. So that's the basic rundown. Now let's move to the juicy part. Let's discuss what you should know about this, 8 key points. Before you jump in, here are 8 important things you should know about Learn Plan Profit. 1. It's focused on day trading. If you're looking for long-term investing strategies, this might not be for you. The course mainly covers short-term trading techniques. 2. The live trading is a big selling point. Many courses just give you pre-recorded lessons, but here you get to watch Ricky trade live and explain his strategies in real time. 3. It's beginner-friendly. Ricky keeps things simple, so if you're new to trading, you won't feel overwhelmed. 4. You need a starting capital. Let's be real, you can't start trading with just $10. You'll need at least a few hundred or even a few $1,000s to make trades worth your time. 5. No guaranteed profits. Trading is risky. Just because Ricky makes money doesn't mean you will. Success depends on your skills, patience, and strategy. 6. Community access. The private group is a great place to learn from others and get trade ideas, but like any online community, some advice may not be reliable. 7. Lifetime access. Unlike many courses with recurring fees, this one gives you lifetime access for a one-time payment. 8. It's not a magic bullet. Some people think they'll join, learn for a week and start making thousands. Nope. Trading takes time, effort, and discipline. My honest thoughts about it, 8 key points. Now, after all the research, here's my honest take on live trading Learn Plan Profit. 1. It's a solid course for beginners. If you're new to trading, this is a great place to start. The explanations are simple and easy to follow. 2. Ricky is experienced. He's been trading for years, and his YouTube content proves he knows what he's talking about. 3. Live trading is a plus. Watching trades happen in real time is a great learning experience. 4. The course is not super advanced. If you're already a trader with experience, you might find the content too basic. 5. Market conditions matter. The strategies taught here work well in bull markets, but trading becomes much harder during downturns. 6. You still need to practice. Just watching videos won't make you a profitable trader. You'll need to apply what you learn in a simulated or real trading environment. 7. The private group is helpful, but be cautious. Some advice in the group can be great, but always do your own research before following any trade suggestions. 8. It's a good investment if you're serious. Now, let's break this down into the pros and cons, so you can weigh whether this program is the right fit for you. Pros. What makes this course worth considering? 1. One-time payment, no recurring fees. Unlike many trading courses that charge monthly or annual fees, this one is a one-time payment. You don't have to worry about ongoing costs eating into your trading capital. Once you buy it, you get lifetime access, which means you can always go back and refresh your knowledge. 2. Live trading access. Watch the action unfold. Most online courses provide only pre-recorded lessons, but one of the biggest selling points of Learn, Plan, Profit is live trading sessions. You get to see Ricky analyze the market, execute trades, and explain his thought process in real time. This is super valuable because learning from real trades can help you understand market movements much faster than just reading about them. 3. Beginner friendly and easy to follow. If you're new to trading, you won't feel overwhelmed. Ricky keeps things simple and straight to the point, so you don't need prior experience to follow along. The concepts are explained in a way that even someone with zero knowledge of the stock market can grasp. 4. Covers essential trading concepts. This program doesn't just teach you how to buy and sell stocks. It covers technical analysis, chart patterns, indicators, trends, risk management, so you don't blow your account in one trade, market psychology, understanding how traders think and react, trading strategies, momentum trading, swing trading, etc. These are fundamental skills that every trader needs, whether you're doing stocks, forex, or crypto. 5. Access to a private community. Having access to a group of like-minded traders can be a huge advantage. You can ask questions if you're stuck, see what other traders are doing, get trade ideas from more experienced members. This sense of community can be really motivating, especially if you're learning alone and need that extra push. 6. Focus on momentum trading. Good for fast returns. If you're the type of person who doesn't want to wait years to see profits, momentum trading might be your thing. Learn, Plan, Profit focuses on short-term trades where you take advantage of quick price movements in the market. For people who like the thrill of active trading and don't want to just buy and hold, this can be an exciting way to grow your money. 7. Good introduction to day trading. A lot of people dive into trading without understanding the real risks involved. This course gives you a structured approach and helps you avoid costly beginner mistakes. If you're serious about trading, starting with a structured course like this can save you a ton of frustration and lost money. 8. Lifetime access and updates. One of the best things about Learn, Plan, Profit is that you're not just buying a course, you're getting lifetime access. That means you can revisit the material anytime, whether you need a refresher or want to adapt to new market conditions. Plus, Ricky occasionally updates the course, which is great because trading strategies evolve over time. The stock market doesn't stay the same, so having access to updated content can help you stay ahead. However, let's not pretend this is Netflix. Don't expect weekly episodes of new trading strategies. Updates are made, but they aren't as frequent as some might hope. Things you should be aware of. Sub 1. No guarantees. Trading is risky. Let's get real. Just because Ricky makes money doesn't mean you will. Trading is not a magic A-team. Some days you win, some days you question all your life decisions. Success in trading requires practice, discipline, and patience. If you think this course will instantly turn you into a six-figure trader, you might want to lower those expectations. 2. Not for long-term investors. If your goal is to invest in stocks like Apple, Tesla, or Microsoft and hold them for the next 10 years, this course isn't focused on that. Ricky's style is more about short-term trades. Quick in, quick out. If you're looking for dividend investing strategies, value investing, Warren Buffett style, building a long-term portfolio, then you might need a different course. 3. You need money to trade. This one's a biggie. Unlike starting a blog, YouTube channel, or online business, which can cost very little, trading requires capital. Even if you're just starting, you'll need a trading account, at least a few $100s, a brokerage platform. Some require minimum deposits, money to lose, because let's be real, beginners make mistakes. If you don't have extra money to trade with, then this course might not be helpful right now. 4. No one-on-one coaching. The course comes with a private group, but you don't get direct coaching from Ricky. If you're the type of person who learns best with personalized mentorship, this might be a downside. Some other trading programs offer one-on-one coaching, but of course those usually cost a lot more. 5. Market conditions can affect your results. The strategies in Learn, Plan, Profit work best when the market is bullish, going up. But what happens when the market slows down or crashes? If you only follow the strategies from the course without adapting to different market conditions, you might struggle to stay profitable. A lot of new traders get excited when they see big wins during a bull market, then panic when things go south. Trading success comes from knowing how to adjust your strategy based on the market. 6. The private group is hit or miss. Yes, it's great to have a trading community, but here's the truth. Not everyone in there is an expert. Sometimes people share bad trade ideas, and if you follow them without doing your own research, you could lose money. Always fact-check advice before acting on it. 7. Might be too basic for advanced traders. If you already have experience with trading, some parts of this course might feel too simple. While it does cover important fundamentals like technical analysis, risk management, and trading psychology, it doesn't go super deep into advanced topics like options trading, algorithmic trading, institutional level strategies. If you're looking for high-level trading techniques, you may need a more advanced course. Final thoughts on the pros and cons. At the end of the day, Learn, Plan, Profit isn't a scam. It's a legit trading course, especially for beginners who want to understand the basics of day trading. Ricky Gutierrez does a great job of breaking down trading strategies in a simple, easy-to-follow way. If you're someone who wants a structured, beginner-friendly course, enjoys short-term trading instead of long-term investing, finds live trading sessions useful for learning in real time, has some money to trade with, and is willing to put in the effort, then this course could be a good investment for you. However, if you are looking for a get-rich-quick system, this is not that. Prefer long-term investing over day trading. Don't have enough money to start trading, need personalized one-on-one coaching, then this might not be the best fit for you. Ultimately, the biggest factor in your success isn't the course, it's you. Even with the best training in the world, if you don't put in the effort, you won't see results. Looking for a more reliable way to make money online? If trading seems too risky for you, but you still want to build financial freedom, I highly recommend checking out my No One Recommended online business program. This program has helped tons of my viewers build successful online businesses without worrying about stock market crashes or losing money on bad trades. Unlike trading, this doesn't require you to risk your own money to make a profit. Click the link in the video description to get started. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.